This is one of my favorite Alan Goddard clips. It's really beautiful. Have a listen.
What else is a matter of fundamental material competence that everybody ought to know about? Well, let's take lovemaking. That's very fundamental. But this is something that our children learn through whispered hearsay or through a few courses in hygiene in high school, which tell the bare facts but nothing of the art. And this is picked up in a sloppy, slovenly way because of this weird, here is the real payoff in this culture where we say we are materialists. Ha ha. In fact, what happens is this. Everything to do with sexuality is regarded as fundamentally dirty. It's associated with the toilet. And therefore, it's something basically prohibited. But men brought up in the WASP culture know that it's really supposed to be fun, and so they sort of snicker about it. And it's always on the side. It's something that you don't really enjoy unless you feel it's dirty. And you're doing something you're not supposed to do, then it's kind of fun. And so there's a perpetual hypocrisy play about the whole thing. And nobody ever, the most banned, the most reprehensible thing you could do in this culture is to come out, say, with a book on the art of loving, which would be comparable to a book, say, on the art of music or the art of cooking, that would be beautifully instructive, to show every subtlety, every loveliness that is possible in the contact between male and female.